Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's Bitcoin update for Monday 4th of July. And is it like a holiday, 4th of July? Probably, yeah, probably it is, right? So what's going on with Bitcoin? I just want to mention this every single damn time. You know, the Bitcoin is Bitcoin, and Bitcoin just does what Bitcoin really want to do. And whatever Bitcoin want to do, it's always going to be a stupid move, so don't even bother. Right now, you are not really quite negative, so what I'm going to say is you're a little bit positive right now, and you're still holding the golden ratio, and you passed the retest, so there's a good chance that you're not going to actually drop to the downside, and you start to actually pick business to the north, and you start to go to the upside as well. So what I suggest though is you're going to see Bitcoin coming up here to maybe $20,000 or a little bit higher to $20,158. Keep in mind that this doesn't really mean that Bitcoin is not going to $9,400. I've had a very detailed talk in yesterday's update of if you want to see Bitcoin continue higher, then you must break a certain point, and that's going to be $22,300 is the level to break to continue higher. As long as you're not going to break that level, there are no chances of me saying that, oh, Bitcoin is actually going to go higher. And I'm going to get into the refresher of that one. All right, so let's remove the drawings and let's actually get the clue again what's going on. You did have this mini downtrend that you've broken out of, okay? Very, very clear break. If you want to put it that way, like this one, you can put the charts like that one as well. So there's a good chance that you can see Bitcoin actually trying to drop a little bit down there, but I highly doubt you can actually just start to move a little bit higher from here. The weekends didn't actually dump, okay? So today's Monday, you have Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So the next few days could actually be, if not like, parabolic move to the upside. At best, it can actually be a very slow paced move to the upside, sideways move, boring move, but a little bit of a higher move up here to 20,000 something, and then you drop to the downside. Why is that? Why to $20,000 before going down? I even mentioned this one in the signals to the members, that the highest you will go is to that level, and that actually is because of a 3-day bear flag, right? So let's actually go into the 3-day time frame bear flag. All I'm going to say is, after putting in this bear flag, I'm just going to remove this line out there, is you might just look to go a little bit higher to push to this level, right? Maybe 21,000 at best, okay? $21,732, and that would be just the retest of this bear flag. You get rejected of that bear flag somehow, and then you continue to make the drops to the downside, right? So it doesn't even make sense. You come down, you go for the retest, and then you continue lower. That's something I'm really looking forward to. The second thing is, you do have this candlestick on a 3-day chart, maybe which closes maybe tomorrow, I guess, or the day after tomorrow it's going to close. As far as I look at things, there could also be a possibility that you don't even go above $19,500. That can actually be possible, because you are looking at this all-time high. You're closing below the all-time high. So this touch, I mean the previous all-time high, I don't mean this all-time high, the previous bull run all-time high, right? So that was the touch here. This is the touch, another one right there. And so far, right now, the candlestick that is printing again is probably making a kiss of death. So you can see it's closing below that level, and then from here you might really continue to drop to $9,000, as I told you in the previous videos as well. That's something that you have to keep in mind. The next thing is, I'm just going to go back here and I'm going to actually observe the weekends, so the weekly time frame as well. So let's remove all the drawings here. Yep, so the weekly time frame, the highest retest that you're looking for the weekly is maybe up here to this body, okay? This is my take about it on a weekly time frame. Even if you're looking to actually go a little bit higher, is on a weekly, you just go back up here to retest this level. So you do have the body of this red candle closing there. You do have the spinning top body closing here as well. So you might just make that small move up there to $20,500, right? Get rejected here, make a quick wick, and then you start to roll over anytime soon. Or if you're looking to invalidate the bear flag, because the bear flag actually comes from this area right here, $21,700 something, okay? You might end up making something like this on a weekly, that I don't know if in the future it's going to happen or not, but this is just my own opinion, that you have a low and you have a higher low, isn't it? So there's a little bit of a very small tiny mini uptrend forming up. So we're going to take this one as well, right? And if I do bring the lines here, you might end up making a little bit of an ascending triangle there. So all you do is you try to coil up a little bit, go up here, come down again, go up like this, come down, and then you slowly start to make the reversal. And if somehow you manage to break the bear flag, that would actually mean that this ascending triangle can come into play, and it would be logical for Bitcoin to even come up here to $25,546. So that's just the scenario that I'm talking about. But I highly doubt. There's a lot of problems. It's been a while I haven't talked about the dominance of the USDT as well. So let's open up the dominance. Yeah, the dominance is still quite bullish, all right? I'm not going to lie to you. This is still not a good sign for Bitcoin. You still have a technical target pending here to 9.83%. So no, I don't think Bitcoin is anytime it's going to be bullish anytime soon. As a matter of fact, I do see some sort of a pennant here that is actually getting broken out of, and you can see the next technical target for the dominance of USDT is going to be from there to there. Take the pull from wherever you're breaking out. So it's going to actually continue higher to 12.46%. Normally the technical target was to the 9.8 right over here, and then you're still looking to actually go to the 12.32% as well. So that's something you have to keep in mind. So it's not good for Bitcoin. That doesn't really speak good for Bitcoin. Let's look at the DXY. DXY has a lot of huge technical target pending all the way up here to 118. And as far as I do look at things, this is a perfect hold of support right now. So you're really holding this support over here, and you're looking to continue higher. So what I can say is that I'm going to take this some sort of a top here to the bottom, and this is where you're looking to actually continue for the DXY as well. So that's going to take you up here to the 107 at least. But damn, you have a lot of way to go. You have a lot of way to go for the DXY, and this tells me that Bitcoin is in huge trouble. Okay, really big trouble. Whenever DXY is actually bullish like this, you're not going to see Bitcoin recovering, because these go opposite to each other. But anyway, let's see what happens in the future. Hope you enjoyed this video, guys. If you're new, just join our Discord. The link is in the description of the video. You're going to find the Discord link right on the description of the video, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.